When I say bananas, you say peppers. And are you guys sick of my big giant ears yet? I feel like, oh, I really got the $5.99 value out of these babies. Anyway, today's video is all about ears and being disgusting. And I think we can call this a First Impression Friday because that's kind of exactly what it is. So I think it will be my last video on this channel. I showed you guys a giant J Beauty haul from this awesome store in Houston called Shibuyala. And while I was there, I picked up this super weird stuff that I'm about to butcher the pronunciation of. So just get ready for that. It's called KAIKAN ear cleaner. There's a giant ear on the package. They had, I'm assuming, blue for boys, pink for girls, but I don't know. I always like the boy products. Why? Because I can. So I got blue. I assumed blue maybe smelled like minty fresh men, and pink maybe smelled like roses. I don't know. Anyway, I don't remember how much I paid for this. I think it was under $10, but it's supposed to be an ear cleaner. Now, why I'm so fascinated by stuff that cleans your ears and your ear holes, I will never know. Leave me a comment down below if you watched my earlier this year ear cleaning video. I think it was like the first video that I did this year on this channel. I did an ear floss device. It was like a thing to clean ear piercings. How weird. A lot of fun. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, we can clean our ears together again. I was very excited. So I think it is kind of a similar product. You get a solution and some swabs. Now, I did read the instructions because that is one cool thing about Shibuyala is pretty much every single one of their products, they have put a sticker over it that puts all the ingredients and the instructions in English instead of just in Japanese, which is very helpful because a lot of these products that are K-Beauty and J-Beauty products, they don't do that. They just kind of, you get the product and you're like, ooh, I'll follow the picture tutorial. Also, I'm wearing a corset right now and I have been for a couple of hours. It's not very comfortable. So let's just undo it. Also, outfit, ooh, it's Betsy Johnson and I love it, but whoa. All right, we're free. Back to my ears. So it is like a solution and some swabs. And oh boy. Now, I will just say, reading the instructions, they're in English. I kind of wish that they weren't in English because they're like, it tells you over and over again, don't use it on the inside of ears, like in all capital letters repeatedly, which is kind of scary. I don't know. Also, don't squirt it in your eyes, which is a little sad because honestly, I was looking forward to cleaning the inside of my ears. I have an industrial piercing over here, and I'm not gonna lie, like this section of my ear is probably the filthiest region on earth because I shampoo my hair. Unfortunately, I hate washing my hair, but when I do, like, you know, stuff gets stuck up in there and I have to clean it out. So I thought that this would be like a like fancy way to clean this little section of my ear. But since they say don't use it anywhere on the inside of your ear, unless maybe they just mean your actual ear holes, eardrum land, I don't know. Just like when I feel like an instruction is being yelled at me twice in all capital letters, I'm just gonna not put it anywhere on the inside of my ear. So bummer, but I thought, hey, let's do it. Let's see if the backside of my ear is super dirty. Won't that be exciting and embarrassing all at once? So this is the solution. It's super duper tiny. Let's take a sniff of it because that's what I always do. Oh my God. It does kind of have a minty smell. How hilarious is that? Blue is mint. Pink is roses. And then you get, ooh, like a whole bunch of swabs. And I'm really intrigued by these caterpillar butt swabs. Like, what a fun shape of swabs is that? I've never seen that before in my life. Also, I think I need to pull my hair back, which is depressing because it's actually cute today. I haven't done bare hair in at least a year. I don't know why I stopped doing that because it's so cute. You might think it's ugly, but to each their own. So it says to get a swab and you just put a couple drops on the swab. Also, I'm gonna just tell you guys, the ingredient is Jacob's tears. No, not Jacob. Job? Job's tears? Who's Job? And what? Job's tears. I'm literally, you can't make this up. Can you read that? It says Job's tears. And also I thought it said soy sauce. So imagine my surprise when I thought that this was made of soy sauce and Job's tears. But it's called soy seed. Is that what soy sauce is made of? You guys, I'm having a real stupid week, okay? This is now just T-vlog territory, but oh my God, did you see my latest Does This Thing Really Work debacle on my main channel where I tested out this? Show them what you are. This thing. Did you guys, I literally tried to take the video down 20 minutes after I uploaded it, and YouTube is still doing like, you know, the death spiral if you have Apple products and like something pretends like it's updating or shutting down, but it's not doing anything. It's still trying to privatize that video. 2-3 days later, but I did this thing wrong. I don't know, I might retest it or I might just cry about it. I don't know. I'm an idiot. Anyway, moving on. Why did I even interject that? It's because I can like tell you guys anything. You guys are like my bestie best friends, close personal acquaintances. Look, I thought I could like just see, I'm directionally challenged. I thought I could just shove the swab in there, but you can't. That's like a circle in a square peg, square in a circle hole. I don't know. They should have done that. That would have been a better design. So you're supposed to just like spill this stuff everywhere, I guess, and put some drops on here. Yes. I'm gonna use the caterpillar butt side, because why not? They don't tell you how many drops to use. They just say some drops. So that's what I've done. And let's clean. I feel like this is the dirtier ear. So let's clean it, shall we? I don't know why I'm acting like well, I kind of do need a mirror, I guess, but now you guys can't see anything. All right, behind my ear. I guess Job's tears are toxic to get inside your eardrum hole. So, ooh, that feels odd. I don't think I've ever put anything so violent and pointy in this super soft section. I feel like I'm a baby back here and like my skull maybe hasn't completely formed yet. Do you know what I mean? Does that make any sense? Seems like I've got foundation back here, eerily enough. Yeah, I feel like this is an unattractive color now. Look at that. Right? Ugh. Like, I was hoping we would honestly get some real mold or dinge, but unfortunately we just have slight discoloration. Look, I'm gonna say dirty swab, clean swab, so you guys can like do a visual comparison, just in case you wanna see my ear dirt. I feel like we're about to cross over into the weird side of YouTube. You know what I mean? Here we go. Yes, dirty swab, clean swab. Look at that. Like, not much change. Why did I think ear swabbing was good YouTube content? Okay, I'm gonna save that guy for later. You'll see why momentarily. Okay, I'm gonna get this ear juice again. I'm gonna use the other side of this swab. I feel like I needed another swab. I feel like you can't use the same swab on both sides of your ears. That's kind of icky. Okay. Oh my God. Anyway, you guys, I'm so distressed that I did that last Does This Thing Really Work so wrong. Oh, I feel like I should do an update. Yeah, okay, it just literally looks like I'm removing makeup. It has a slight refreshing feeling, like a slight tingling. I was really hoping we were gonna get some dirt. Actually, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go run and get my little microscope and we'll look at my ear dirt under the microscope. That sounds like fun, right? So, cue that. I'm gonna film this portion tomorrow. Just being honest. All right, you guys, many days later, I'm sure you've all been waiting for me to inspect my possible ear fungus up close under a microscope. Now, this is so disgusting, and I'm actually appalled with my life choices that I kept 2 dirty ear swabs just sitting on my countertop. You see, this is why anxiety makes no sense, okay? Because like, I'm not afraid of my own dirt getting me sick, just other people's dirt, which maybe in a way makes some kind of sense. I don't know. Oh my God, I don't even want to see this. I'm actually scarred for life. What is that? I can't even see that with the naked eye. I'm just having this experience down here and you guys are like, what are you even talking about? Look at these chunks. Okay, look at that. That is what we pulled off my ear. There's like fuzz, which I'm assuming is from like t-shirts. I'm gonna try and zoom in just a little bit so you can see my grotesque ear problems. Oh, you guys, what is this? See, with the naked eye, I literally thought we extracted nothing. So I'm gonna be honest, a couple days ago when I did this video, I was not that impressed with like the ear cleaning power. But now looking at this, I'm actually scarred for life. So that's amazing. That was ear 1. I don't remember which side was which. And this is ear 2. This one is maybe like not as dirty. You know what? I'm gonna turn these side lamps off just so you can see the dirt just a little bit better. I feel like we're getting a glare. Okay, I think you'll be able to see a lot better now. I'm sure me just extracting filth and dirt and glitter, it looks like, from the backs of my ears is just the content that you guys desperately wanted to see. Ew, what is that? Do you guys see this like big, ew. Look at this stuff on the end here. What is that? It's hard to get this thing to focus. I think I've got it goodly focused now. So this one just looks mostly like waxiness and some glitter. Looks like a highlighter. And then some of these creepy fibers. That's great. So it looks like definitely one ear was cleaner than the other ear. I don't know why. Hopefully you can see that and be grossed out with me. 2 drops of yellowish liquid. It's just really gross all over looking. Ugh. Ew. Okay. Right to the garbage. Whew. Okay. I don't know yet if that was exciting or not. You're seeing this clip before me. Anyway, you guys, it's very late. I hope y'all are having an awesome holiday. If you celebrate Thanksgiving or if you don't, it is holiday season. So I feel like it's like the time to kind of like wind down and relax and like celebrate with friends and family. So hopefully you guys are having a good time. But if not, you're getting to spend this time with me and I'm your family, I'm your friend. So you're still hanging out with somebody right now. So yeah, you guys, that is about it. I'm so hesitant to wash this makeup off. Like I actually really like the way that my hair and my makeup turned out today. Don't you guys wish that like you could just temporarily tattoo a certain type of makeup on your face for like a month? Like I am really ready for the robot simulation future in which we have things like that. Because that would be great. Like I feel like I would accomplish so much more in my life if I could just wake up and look like this. Do you know what I mean? Like if this didn't take 2 hours to do plus the time that it took me to match. I almost said costume. It is kind of like a costume because I'm about to be in my jam jams. I was in my jam jams before this. I will be in my jam jams after this. And I will probably be in my jam jams for the next 3 days. I'm just being honest, it's the holidays. Anyway, I'm gonna go now because what is this video? It's like half testing something out, half tea vlog. Hopefully it was still 100% enjoyable. I love you guys so much and I'll see y'all again very, very soon. But until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!